How to change Instagram grid layout. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram just to make sure we have an updated version of the application. So as we launch the Instagram application, we can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. Now tap on open. As I tap on open, it will land us to the main page over here. So what you simply need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, in order to simply change the Instagram grid layout, we have the updated version. But let's see if we have the feature of changing the Instagram grid layout. So in order to change the grid, we have to make a long press on the picture, and then here you have the option to simply see. We have different options. We can pin to the main grid. We can adjust the preview, but we do not have the option to change the grid layout. So let's tap on adjust preview, and you can just simply select any of the section, but we do not have the option over here. So we can definitely adjust or fit the background and everything, but changing the grid layout, it's not really possible. That feature is not available as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.